Hello and welcome to 5-Minute Math. Today we are looking at the 7th grade concept of volume. This is standard 7.9a in the great state of Texas, and we are using item number 5 of the 2019 released STAAR test. If you have not done so already, please go ahead and take a moment to pause the video, work this problem out on your own, unpause it, and then we will look at our answers together. So we have a stereo speaker, and is it in the shape of a triangular pyramid? Now, if this were given to you as a picture, I don't think it would be as confusing as this problem actually is, but it's just words. They give you the height, and they give you the base. So we simply need the volume. So first, let me draw what this is here. So I've got a triangular base pyramid, so I'm going to try to draw. Those are a little bit harder for me to kind of visualize. So I'm going to kind of draw it like this. I'm going to draw a triangular base, but the base is going to be in the back, so I'm going to do these dotted lines here. And then there's my vertex right up there at the top. All right, when I think pyramid, typically I think of a square-based pyramid, but you can have a triangular base. You can have a pyramid with many different bases. This is a triangular pyramid. So if I'm looking at my equation chart, my formula chart, I see that there's volume for many different things. But volume for a pyramid is pretty simple. 1/3 base times height. That's because you can fit 3 pyramids into any prism. And so you've got this 1/3 base times height. It works best when you're looking at a rectangular prism or a cube. So base times height. Well, the base of this, so the area equals, they said the area equals 11 inches squared. And then the height. You cannot use one of the faces, so typically there'd be a little line that would go right here, but it's kind of hidden by this very front edge. But it would be a little line that kind of goes in here, so they'd probably rotate this a little bit to show you the inside. It would go right there. And they would say that that height is 6 inches. So they've given you everything that you need, right? Volume of a pyramid equals 1/3, base 11, height 6. So I'm going to use the commutative property. I'm going to reorder these. I want to do 1/3 times 6 times 11, simply because I want to get the 1/3 and 11. I want to simplify that. So watch this. 1/3 times 6, which is 6 over 1. That means 6 divided by 3. So that's 2. 1/3 of 6 is like dividing 6 by 3, which means that is going to be, those two together make 2. Literally 2 times 11, 22 inches cubed. So that's my answer. Now this is why this is a lot harder than it seems, because you know what else uses a triangle, and base times height is a triangular prism. And if we had a triangular prism, let me see if I can pretend to draw that. That's kind of a harder one to draw. All right, so if we did this, right, and if we said the height is 6, and then if we said the area of the base is 11, well, you find the volume of a prism simply base times height. So that volume would be 6 times 11, or 11 times 6, and that'd be 66. You see how that answer's there. Or if you're confused and you're just thinking it's just a triangle, right? A triangle, it's got a height, and they say the height is 6. And it says that's 11. Let's say you think the length of the base. Well, the area equals 1/2 base times height. And that would equal 1/2 6 times 11. So that'd be that 33. But our answer here is A.